Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jeep model year and the exact head unit version. This determines the correct update file. Once done, make sure the battery won't die. Keep the engine running or a trickle charger attached while updating. You should back up navigation favorites and presets to a USB drive or your account where available. This prevents lost data. Now power on the infotainment, insert the prepared USB, and go to the Settings System Update menu to begin the process. You will choose the install method provided for your Jeep, USB or Uconnect Wi-Fi, and transfer the exact update file to the media if needed. Once you select Install, follow each on-screen prompt carefully and do not remove the USB or cut power. Interrupts can corrupt firmware. Make sure to watch progress bars and allow the unit to reboot itself multiple times. This is normal. If prompted, confirm region and map preferences so the navigation data aligns with your local maps. You finish by verifying the map and system version in Settings and testing GPS accuracy with a quick route search. This confirms the update installed correctly. Once done, restore your saved favorites from the USB or account and complete any recalibration prompts the system requests for compass or GPS. If the unit behaves oddly, try the update again with a freshly downloaded file on a different USB stick or factory. Reset the head unit. If problems persist, contact a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.